Hi! So, as you see, I'm gonna make a new walkthrough, and of course I'm gonna continue Trauma Center, but now I start Ratchet and Clank, just for fun. And yeah, I know this game, so we can do the language on English, so you understand a little bit more, I think. And yeah, exit. So, and we're gonna do a new game. Yeah, check my memory card. Yeah, there. Yeah, it's gonna take that file. Are you sure? Yes, we're sure. Saving data. Yeah. And now we're finally starting with a cutscene. So, Psychedelic Snake, I saw your video tonight about It's Odyssey, and yeah, that's great. Oh my god, that was funny. And of course it's stuff about hacking your account, but I think you're safe now. And whoa, what an asshole this pigwig hater is. I think he's got no friends, and of course no girlfriend, and just taking his time to hack other one's accounts. Yeah, stupid asshole. And now, and why is he doing that? I saw his video and it was like just, stop it, asshole, I've got your password. Yeah, if you hear this pigwig hater, just say us why. Why do you wanna stop him? Cause he's some kind of famous or stuff? And if you just stop him and delete his account if you can. Would you stop there or stop my stuff and maybe the stuff of all the other guys who like make fan videos or walkthroughs course of Snake? I think that's stupid. Why are you doing this? If you're jealous, don't watch his YouTube videos. And yeah, just that was my opinion. And where are we now? Yeah, come on, Ratchet, go away. No, Clank, sorry. I'm a little bit tired. Yeah, it's Sunday. And I did a little bit party yesterday night, and yeah, it's evening now, but I'm still tired. Yeah, oh god, we almost got 3 minutes now, and nothing happened. Yeah, Ratchet, go and take it. So, and of course I'm gonna start this walkthrough.
Welcome to the Gadgetron Help Desk.
Yeah, fuck you, be quiet. So, and just pick up some screws, or how it's called. Yeah, come on Ratchet, take it, because we need it for buying weapons. Oh, this game has awesome weapons. And oh my god, to turn the camera around is totally shit. And here's something more. Watch out. Nope. Whoa, I'm getting dizzy. So, die. I like this game. My first jump and run for the PS2. Come on. There's something more. What's up here? Here's nothing, I think. Nope. Come on, Ratchet. Go faster. And I think, who was it? I don't remember. I think Matt 40 something. Yeah, you really wish this was right. I did search for your comment, but I didn't found it again. Maybe I erased it, but or deleted, and if I did that, I'm really sorry. I didn't want it. So let's go. Come on.
You can interrupt help desk messages by pressing the triangle button.
Yeah.
Disable help desk
And we hit that frog.
select options from your pause menu.
Come on. Here's nothing, I think. Nope. And go up, Ratchet. Yeah. Ah! Yeah. That frog scares me.
Gadgetron's OmniWrench 8000 includes a new power strike feature. To activate it, use the R1 button. and then press the square button.
Yeah, I know it. I played this game before.
Whenever you sustain injury,
Blah 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 blah. Shut up, bitch.
system rebuild your body from the inside.
Die. So, and we're gonna go now. There are some boxes. Come on, give me all. And yeah, what's up? No, it's weekend, and now I'm gonna record 3 parts of Ratchet and Clank. Make them ready to upload it, and then maybe I'll make some more parts of Trauma Center and post them all tomorrow. Yeah, die, robot. Stupid frog. Oh, I love this game. It's so funny and easy to play. I like.
Use your bomb glove.
Yeah, I know how to use my bomb glove. I think I like Ratchet and Clank a little bit more than Super Mario. I don't know why, but I think Super Mario gets better music. Die! So yeah, who remembers the Ratchet and Clank scene? No one. Who remembers the Super Mario scene? Everyone. And ticks boxes. Ow! Oh my god, I got hit. Come on, takes boxes. La 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 la. And did you check out my favorites? I've got a new favorite of the German band called Die Ärzte. It's my favorite band, and I got the video called Junge, and it's a really funny video. All about zombies and stuff. Just check it out if you want, if you've got time, and if you got now Clank. Yeah, I'm happy. I've got a little robot.
Interesting. You're quite handy with your wrench.
You bet. I built that ship with it.
Currently, I'm in search of someone who could be of assistance in saving the solar system. Do you know where I might find that fellow?
Well, he's on the radio every week. Other than that, no. Hey, what's with all this save the solar system stuff anyway?
Hello, citizens of...
Just
My
insert
race
planet.
and blog have a small problem. Our planet has become so polluted, overpopulated, and poisonous that we are no longer able to dwell here. But I, Chairman Drek, have a solution. We are constructing a pristine new world using the choicest planetary components available. So, what does this mean to you, you might ask? Using highly sophisticated technology, which you couldn't possibly understand, we will be extracting a large portion of your planet and adding it to our new one. Unfortunately, this change in mass will cause your planet to spin out of control and drift into the sun, where it will explode into a flaming ball of gas. But, of course, sacrifices must be made.
Yeah,
Thank you
sacrifices.
for your cooperation. And if you don't like it, you can take your whiny, sniveling, snot-nosed populations, form a line behind me, and kiss my... We're still on? Well, turn it off, you idiot!
Yeah.
The people on those planets are hosed. Well, good luck getting Captain Quark to help you.
Actually, you could help me. If you could use your ship to take me to the coordinates contained in this infobot, I might be able to gather further information there.
Even if I wanted to, I can't. I'm missing a crucial component of the ship.
The robotic ignition system.
How did you know that?
I, sir, happen to be equipped with the latest in robotic ignition systems. My programming allows me to start any ship I choose.
So, I agree to take you to this, wherever it is, and you get my ship started for me?
That is what I'm proposing.